Hi YouTube. Here's a glimpse of how I set up my dining room table for the holidays. I hope you enjoy.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So here's a look at how I set up my table settings for my dining room table this year. I used two placemats that I got from Target. Both of them are from the holiday section, and I'm using a bronze and a gold. You can color coordinate your table with your placemats if you're utilizing placemats. So that's what I did. And I took my linen napkins and I folded them over into a triangle shape. And from there, I took those points and made it into a diamond. Now, these are my linens that I don't usually use to wipe my hands or my mouth, so they're more decorative. So with that, I put my napkin rings on them, and I got these napkin rings from Home Goods, and they have some beautiful napkin rings. You can also get some from Target as well as TJ Maxx. And just to let you know, my video is not being sponsored by any of those stores. I just like to frequent those places often. I like their decor that they have in those stores. So you can try there, and even the at-home store, you'll find some great decor for your table setting this year for Christmas. Now with that, I pulled the napkin ring over it and I fanned out the bottom, and I kind of fanned out the top of it to kind of give it a little more decorative shape to it. I put down my larger dinner plate first. That's the first thing that I put down. And like I said, I don't usually utilize my good linen for wiping my hands, so I do provide a linen napkin for my guests and myself to utilize to wipe their hands and their mouth as they're eating. And I usually set that on top of their dinner plate and on top of their, and it's underneath their dessert plate. Now from there, I go ahead and I put their salad bowl down, and then I start bringing in like the glassware. This year I utilized a smoky black colored goblet, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. Now they had some green goblets too, and I really like those, but since I was using a green runner down the center of my table, I decided to go with the smoky black colored goblet instead. To me, that brings in the colors that I'm using this year. It kind of rounds out the table to me. And then I use like my coffee or tea saucer and cup. If someone decides that they want to have coffee or tea, I do like to provide that for them. Now here's a lesson for everyone from my etiquette class. Now here's a lesson from my etiquette class. You place your silverware on the table according to the letters and the number of letters and the spelling of the silverware. So on your right hand side, because there's 5 letters in right, would be your knife and your spoon. So you would place your knife on the outer side. Next to that would be your soup spoon, and then would be your dessert spoon. And just like that, on your left side would be your fork. So you would place your dinner fork closer to your plate and your salad fork on the outer side of your plate, because you're going to eat your salad before you have your main course.
In Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset.
And here is my table setting. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I upload. I thank you again for watching. Give my channel a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. Until next time, be blessed.
Out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.